Recipe Sawiyan.
Sawiyan, take pan.
Take ghee or cooking oil. Add ilachi, cardmom.
When brown, add Sawiyan.
Sawiyan well brown.
Add 1 cup water even soft.
Add 2 cup milk.
Add sugar as per choice.
Add dry fruit, badam pista, as per choice.
Covered in low flame. 5 min.
Sweet dish ready.
Tasty.
Good looking.
Easy make.
Recipe sheer Khurma. Take 1 kilogram milk and add 1 packet Sawiyan, or vermicelli. Well cook in low flame. Then add sugar as per choice. Add dry fruit as per choice. Well cook sweet dish ready. Tasty. Day or back to nature. Recipe. Sheer Khurma. Second
Take
method.
ghee
or oil. Take colored vermicelli or pasta or Sawiyan. Well fry. Add 1 cup water. Water dry, add 2 cup milk. Add sugar as per choice. Add dry fruit as your choice. Well cook sweet dish ready. Tasty.